Hello guys, this is Arjun and this is my last module, that is a module 8, which is I believe the concluding module of our design thinking journey. I'll explain what I have done in my whole journey. So the first thing is, of course, my name is Arjun Sharma. I'm a student of University of Petroleum Energy Studies. I'm a design thinking student and proud to be a part of this course. My design challenge. Well, numerous business visionaries share characteristics that are crucial for beginning and growing business. They are enthusiastic, strong, centered around circumstances, and alright with dangers. In any case, the quality that may have the most impact over a business person's prosperity is confidence. I believe that a person who would gain confidence if the procedures are made transparent. So my current how might we question was how might we demystify the procedure and fabricate entrepreneurs' confidence, regardless of their background, language, or access. The second how might we question was how to make the process more transparent. Now moving on to my product. I believe that organizing of design process that has this normal for providing both a client encounter and a customer encounter is a vital outline idea. The prototype I created is a robust model that would link technology with business to achieve that confiding condition among the employees. I used a Jupyter notebook, scripted a Python code which analyzes the last 5 years data of the employees' dissatisfaction level and the reason why they feel left behind and lose that confidence. Of course, why I care about the topic. Business organization is a wide field which incorporates numerous sorts of administration positions. From higher organizations to autonomous business, each activity needs adroit executive keeping in mind the end goal to get achievement. Well, I believe that since ordinarily they have loads of energy, they generally arranged for the things to confront. The general population who are inspired and sorted out, those identities can develop well in business since wherever the conditions are powerful and know how to manage weight that will enable you to keep yourself to cool and it will keep your business on track. Well, what I learned. Design thinking in itself presents another mindset about the issues and inquiries we look into our reality. It ventures outside of the customary boxes with visual reasoning, innovativeness, and development, keeping in mind the end goal to discover new answers for a similar old issues. Possibly it's not even about issues, perhaps it's about essentially finding a superior way. Feedback and insights. Well, my friends really appreciated my work and they even approved that my approach would certainly be useful to count the confidence lacking condition. They were quite impressed with my updated notebook and believed that my project would be really one for the future. I also wish you sir that you put my idea to the rest of the world. So this is my revised prototype. Here I've mentioned a screenshot of my Jupyter notebook. It has been mentioned. It's just a snippet of the first page. What I've created is. The second one is what I added. A prediction. This was after the module 7 when I altered my Jupyter notebook and added some quite a few points in it. The first point was a prediction made in Jupyter notebook by applying machine learning techniques by made was made more accurate by adding more features into it. After the completion of my module, I realized that my project is sustainable and be future proof. I needed to add more attributes which would support my algorithm and make my prediction more robust. The snippet of my prototype is well it's mentioned on the next slide. Here's my prototype. Here in my prototype I have added more graphs and features that support my model and makes it more robust and future proof. As we can see I have included many graphs which are being plotted on the predicted values of the different labels such as the increasing confiding condition in employees versus the job area sector which is the main states we have in our country. The second one is the yearly analysis of the satisfaction level of the customers and the confiding condition. The blue line here represents the satisfied and the orange line here is the dissatisfied customers. As we can see with the passage of time the graph is approaching towards zero. So well that's a nice symbol and that's a nice I believe that's what we expect of a model. Wow, I could not have imagined that I would be able to achieve this without the ever-present design thinking, procedures and iterations. Well, I believe my project is one for the future. I hope that I include design thinking in my future projects, and they would turn out to be pretty successful. And that's it. It's been an amazing journey, and I hope that I make full use of it. Thanks a lot, everyone. Thanks a lot.